Hi guys, how una dey? Una good evening. I just carry another small amebo come meet una o. Make we talk this one small. This one e be like say e dey sweet small for ear or e dey bitter small. E bitter, e sweet. E get good part, e get bad part. This one is about Tonto Dike, King Tonto, and Bobrisky. Now what for this life? Oh, this life I get as e be. Oh, e get the time where person and person go meet like this. E be like say una be sugar, honey, dey sweet like say nothing fit separate una. Nothing. Where the thing go from come, where go come separate una. Before you know am, boy. This one go carry him face go east. This one go carry him face go north. Now so it take happen for Tonto and Bobrisky. They come dey quarrel secretly until because dem dey show themselves on social media until people come notice say Bobrisky no dey show some Tonto again o. Tonto no dey post Bobrisky again o, as the two of them dey even dey lay down for bed o, dey kiss o, like say na two girls. Abi dey wan confuse us say we dey mad, we no know man and we no know woman again. They come say dem dey call am say na harmless friendship. Bobrisky and Tonto, they don dey, this their friendship don dey sweet tey one day secretly o. This one no post this one birthday, this one no post this one birthday. You know say na the thing wey they take they know themselves for in social media, and I say I love you, now I go post you for my birthday or your birthday. People wey dey do am, me I know they do am. So my country people don watch this thing, say they can't tire. Now one man, now he can't post say the saga wey dey between Bobrisky and Tonto, say one day go come out. Now him Tonto come talk say as in dey so as in dey so, he know how to keep friendship even if the person, even if they quarrel well. So now he come talk say even if they quarrel, he know how to keep in friend secret. He remember the good time where they don dey together, so he no fit come on social media come begin dey expose all the secret wey they don get before. Na so Tonto talk o. Bobrisky no talk anything sha. E don tey wey that one happen o. Na him Bobrisky today na he come say he come see for social media where somebody come talk say one day say that thing wey dey quarrel dem say go come out, say they don know say all the frog dey lie upside down. One day that one wey dey suffer from belle he go lie upside down. So because all frog dey cover their belle, one day dem go lie upside down. So that thing wey people never know, say they go come know am. Now him Bobrisky come say no, this one don too much. Bobrisky come say now he come go for the Instagram for that person, go tag and say he go wait for 600 years before he go know the thing wey they quarrel in with Tonto Dike. Say he know how to keep friendship no matter anything will happen. Say he be integrity person. Say he know how to keep his integrity. Remembering all this time, all the good things they share together. Well, the good thing where they share together, no be say now for then they lie for bed, they kiss, say they be two girls. Now it be the good thing where they share together. The bad one where they don't happen, now it be say they know they talk to each other again. As they know say they know how to keep, make them settle now. Make them settle well. Okay, my country people, now I say make I come meet you now. I beg, make una consider subscribing. I beg.